Yeah, hi, good morning. One large triple, please. That's everything. Okay, thank you.
Hi, 230. Your points go?
No, sorry.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. As of today, I just sent my wife to work, so I'm on my way to the Red River Floodway. I don't know if I'm gonna consider this as urban fishing because it's already outside of the perimeter, but it's almost it's close to the city, so I think I'm gonna put it that way. So hopefully something bites. There are a lot of gold eyes hanging out in the Red River Floodway, so hopefully we can have gold eyes for today. It can be added as cut bait for next time when we go out. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and join me, okay? See you out there. So here's a little backstory about this spot that I'm headed to. I discovered this like a few years back, during the times when I was still trying to learn how to use a bait caster, because I tend to be shy. Yeah, it's my personality that whenever I get to try something new, I don't want to get embarrassed with in front of other people. That's why before I found this little spot using Google Maps, and yeah, it's kind of a secluded area. That's why, you know, I always, whenever I have the itch to practice, this is where I go. And this place has always been, you know, good to me, in the sense of I can do whatever I want. Nobody goes there, and it holds a few fish. So, you know, that's one of the things that I really like about it. And it's my own discovery, because when I started posting like pictures and, you know, updates on the area, people started going there. I have a group here in Manitoba, the Manitoba Friendly Fishing page. Yeah, shout outs to Bruno Sanderson, being one of the admins of this group. So yeah, win-win for everyone, because a lot of guys would go out, especially within the Winnipeg area, that they don't have to drive far and, you know, to fish. So this is one of my go-to, actually. Thankful for that. I have a few clips here that I'm gonna show you. Like all my previous videos before my Hero 6 gone missing. I was able to save some clips from like a few years back, fishing on this little spot right here. So I hope you enjoy it. Ngayon guys, I'm out. So I'm trying to catch something. Sana meron. Pero may yellow pa, oh. This is my setup right now. I'm using my lightning rod, the Shock from Berkeley. Tapos yung CC80 ko na Daiwa. First time kong gagamitin to. Lakas ang hangin, grabe. Well, never know. Hindi natin susubukan. Good. Thanks.
lemon, kumbaga. Eh di isda. Eh di wow. Ang gaang na itong bait ko. Napagaang. Isa pa lang, sablay na agad.
We are going back to the same place. Yeah, but basically it's just for practice. Ang gamit ko ngayon yung aking quantum. Yeah, may quantum rod with my lightning rod as well. Pero ito yung lightning rod lang. Yung kahapon yung dala ko yung shocks. I think mas bago yun. Yeah, so let's sink muna. Kasi muna kinulan mo. Backlash pa rin. Walang niya mo, isang hagis. Dali agad. Thank you. Yeah, wait. Oo. Thank you for biting. Oh, isa. One down. Yay. Oh, thank you. Good day. Number one. Yun. Huli. Second fish. Aba, malaki. Touch. Oh, yan. Yeah. Second fish of the day. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Boom. Yeah. Pangatlo. Uy! Gagawin na. Sayang. Kinuha niya eh. Yes. Ano kaya to? Okay, hilahin mo muna. Ang pike. Pangatlo. And he's a big one. Get in the boat, man. Get in the boat. Dinukuwang eh. Yeah. Wait. Not bad. Picture. Thank you for biting, man. Yan, dito. Pero, thank you for biting. Alright. Thank you. What? Tumitira rin pala sila ng flapper. Ayos ah. Yeah. It's on, man. Get in the boat, man. Ano to? Bike ulit. Yeah! Hala ka!
Not moving, man. How did you manage to bite that much? Oh, sige. Huwag naman sobra kasi. OA ka naman kasing kumagat eh. Ay, oh, pang 5. He's still alive, kaya lang yung gilid kasi. Bye-bye. Thank you. Yes! Take it, boy. Malaki kaya? O average lang din. Aba, malaki. Uy, malaki. Hello! Good morning! Get in the boat, man! Yes, ang laki. Ito ko sa pinakamalaki ngayong araw na to. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay ba? Sarap na sakab mo, di ba? Lusot eh. Ayan. Yes. Hello. Oh, sandali na lang ha. Let's take this off. Hey. Hello. Pang ilang ka na? 6. Ang bango ko na, promise. Amoy pike na ako. All day. Wala, maliit pa to. Pero thank you for biting. You have a good one. Bye-bye. Palaki ka pa. Yeah. Ay. Yeah. Ay, put. Sige, isa pa. Laro tayo, boy. Laro tayo. Yeah, yun, malaki. Malaki. Dotel na ka. Nakahuli pa ako. May kumagat pa. Ba, baby. Pa yan. Siya pa ang huling-huli. Yeah. Don't be so feisty, boy. Okay. Ay, nako. Picture muna tayo, syempre. Oo, sandali. I'm gonna throw you back. Sige na, balik ka na ha. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for biting. Pa yan, patapos na, humirit. Uwi na po. Diba? Bye-bye.
Just setting up. This is just going to be a quick one. I brought some worms. Tapos the other one is gonna be like lures and stuff. So let's see. I'm not really putting high hopes on this one because I don't know what's gonna be waiting for us there. But yeah, that's what I said. Quick session. So I guess we're all set. I don't know. I really don't have an exact plan as how I would do this right now, but I'm just glad you're tagged along with me, and thank you for clicking on this video again. So let's go. This has been my training ground. That's what I said. Nakakatawa nun kasi any time of the day I would go here. Pero yeah, ayan, look. That is highway 300 something, I don't know. I forgot. Kaya magka-coffee muna tayo. Ayun, may access naman eh. Let's go. Ayan, masaya. Kita niyo naman dinadaanan ko, di ba? As what I said, it is a secluded area. Iilan-ilan lang kami nakakaalam nito. Ayun o, sabi niyo naman, look. Di ba? Panalo. We're almost there, guys. Ho 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 ho. Wow, it's been a long time. Nice to be back. Sorry guys, guluhin ko muna kayo. This is our spot today. Hopefully something plays. Okay, so we're here. Ano? Wow, very nostalgic. Kasi talagang, yeah, dito ako nagpa-practice. No? Okay, so these are the rods that I have. It's my loose combo. It's my loose custom XP. It's a 7.5 to 1. I'm gonna use this for top water. Okay, my second rod is spinning combo. I put on a bobber setup, and this is like I ordered this one from Temu. And then my third rod is my Bass X paired with the SLX DC. I tied on. I know this is like a half-ounce spinnerbait. So let's see. This place is known for big pikes too, so hopefully something plays. Well, let's just check and see. I'm gonna start off with the spinnerbait. Bahala na. Malay mo lang, may makipaglaro, di ba? Okay. Wow! Let's see. Tignan lang naman natin kung meron eh. Pero kung wala, di it's okay. Madamo sa side na to. Okay? Tayo sa kabila. Grabe, that's always been my go-to way back. Nakakatawa. I get to have the chance to come back here. Naalala ko pa dati. The first time I had a bite here, I was like, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to hold the fish. I don't know how to react or something. I don't know. Pero basta I remember, tawa ako ng tawa sa sarili ko nun. I was like looking back. Ayaw sa spinnerbait. Okay. Bobber setup tayo. Yan na, worm na tayo muna. Parang mukhang dito lang tayo gagana today. Pero later, we're gonna move upstream. Drive na natin sa sasakyan. Wala naman tao eh. Ano kaya siya kalalim? That's a question. There's always an option to move further down. Dun sa mga spot ko pabanda doon sa loob. By the way guys, I only have like 2 hours to spend here. Pag wala, edi wala. We've wasted like 30 minutes here already, so let's try some other spots. Okay? No one wants to play so far, so we're gonna move upstream. Tignan natin, baka andun sila and stop. Again, I only have like 2 hours or 2.5 hours to spend here. Stay tuned. Let's see. Move spot. Try na natin mag-drive doon. Hi! Wala maingay ha. Bawal mag-drive doon eh. Pero testing lang. Wala on the first spot. Try natin doon sa bandang loob. Bahala na to. Okay,
Second spot and probably the last one. Medyo mataas yung damo eh. Tanga, hindi ko pala nalock yung pinto. Bobo. Okay, game na. Doon tayo dadaan sa may mga damo na yun. It's over there. It's been 2 years since the last time I was here. Yan. Siyempre, buwis buhay again. Although it's nice. I miss doing these things. Yan. Okay. Mas mataas ang damo dito. Which is always the case. Kasi before, whenever I go here, ito talaga yung laging challenging part eh. Yung pag malapit ka na sa tubig. Right? And voila! Here we are. Malamig ba yung tubig? Oh, water is fine. Madulas. Made it. All right. Oh, you see that? Laking catfish, guys. Holy. May ganong catfish dito? Ayan. Look. It must be a master angler or baka kasing laki nung nahuli ko kahapon. Wow, ha? May ganyan pala rito. I didn't know that. Okay. Come here. I don't know what you are, but pero pike to. Where are you? Hey. Where are you, boy? What is this? What are you? Oh, it's a small pike. Oh, hinabol mo, di ba? Got one. Hot skunk. Pero, hinabol mo kasi. Pucha naman eh. Grabe naman kasi kayong makakagat. Ito ay isang makulit na pike. He really bit my lure in a way that he can only do it. Gutom na gutom ka ba, boss? Are you really that hungry? Naku po, patay. Hey. Let it out, boss. Let it out. Eek! Oo, sandali. Yeah. Wait. Kalit-liit mo eh, walang niya ka. No. Stop doing that. Grabe kang kumagat, sir. Kaliit-liit mo. I really don't know how you did it, but... Yeah, wait. Yeah, no, don't move. But hopefully you survive this one. Yeah, it's almost out. Come on, man. Bitawan mo na. Okay, small one. Hopefully he survives. Bye-bye. Yeah, he's good. Okay, so landed one fish. There's a small pike. And yeah, I had a lot of experience dito na yung mga small pikes. And yeah, look, I'm at this platform right here. Yeah, first time, trying this one out. Kasi dati hindi talaga ako makatawid. Because, yeah, this one, yung may gumawa ng daan dito eh. They would always go here, para may naglagay ng mga bato. Meron eh. Laki nun eh. Oop. Pwede kaya? Kagatin niya kaya? kumagat na eh. Oh, yun. Oh, hinabol niya pa. It's almost done, but you are hungry, my friend. Yan, huli. Oh, ikaw yung kanina pa. Diba? Oh, you are yung kanina pa. Okay. Second fish. Uy! No! Ikaw naman eh. Okay. Floodway fish. Diba? I told you, this place never fails. Kahit mga maliliit, at least there are some inhabitants. Yun, may nakita pa ako isang malaking catfish. So yeah, kanina pa to kumakagat. I think it was caught on camera na yung top water ko kinakagat niya. So thank you for biting, boss. Thank you for biting. Oh, let's release you na. Bye bye. Thank you for biting. Thank you for playing with us. Bye bye. I guess that's it. It's already like almost 10 a.m. I got here like around 8 o'clock. 2 fish. Isang maliit. Ko alam, I don't know. It's like a medium-sized pike. It's all pikes. So yun naman na expected dito eh. However, there are some reports that you can catch like really big pikes here. And yeah, it's been 2 years since I visited this place, and today is another one of those. If you are watching still up to this point, so thank you. I really appreciate the support. Thank you for coming with me. I really appreciate it, and yeah, thank you very much to all my new subscribers, and I really appreciate it. See you again, guys.